Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video you'll see how I draw realistic looking eye drawing with pencils. And yes, this is how I like to sharpen my pencils. Let's get to drawing. I'll be using this makeup brush for shading and blending. You can also use paint brushes if you don't have makeup brush. I had little amount of graphite on this brush from previous use, so I'm just using it to enhance the shape of the nose. As you can see, I have already done the basic outline of the eye drawing. You will see how I add more shadows, highlights and details, make the eye look more realistic. I'm drawing short lines at the edge of the eyeball and I'm using a darker grade pencil. I'm using 8B here. You can use any darker grade pencil if you want to achieve a more dark and shadowy effect. I would recommend you always have a reference photograph of the body part or a human anatomy that you are practicing. Having a photograph reference rather than referring an existing drawing helps you with your observation skills. You might be drawing an eye that is completely different from what I'm drawing now, but you can use similar techniques to achieve your desired result. Now I'm shading the center part of the eye. Carefully leave out the places where you can see light reflecting or shine, so it will be left out pure white and you can see the highlights in the end. Adding more shorter lines at the inner end of the eye. I don't know what it's called. You can use any medium to lighter grade pencils for this, like around 2B to 4B. Adding more shorter lines in the middle as per my reference photo. And I used a kneaded eraser to clear out the places where I added too many lines or it's little too dark than what I need. And I'm using my makeup brush again to blend out everything. After the blending, there's too much graphite everywhere, so clear out in the places where you want highlights and add sharper lines. I'm using monozero eraser for this part. You can also use kneaded eraser or normal erasers. I did not like how the right half of the eye was turning out, so I erased it and did it again. I repeated the process of adding more highlights and sharper lines until I was happy with the result. Drawing eyelashes is always a little bit intimidating for me because I want perfect, sharp, crisp and dark lines. I am afraid I might screw it up all the time. I am using my mechanical pencil for thinner and lighter lines and carbon pencils for much thicker and darker lines. Be careful when using carbon pencils though, because once you draw with it, it's very difficult to remove. Observe your reference photo and see how the eyelashes have curled and to which direction they are pointing. All of this will help you get more realistic results. You can also use 8B or 6B pencils for this. They are dark and give good results as well. Drawing similar lines for the eyelashes below. Again, use your reference photo to observe and learn from it. Focusing now on the skin around the eyes, the same drill of shading, blending and highlighting. I have to say this. If you have used graphite for drawing before, you would know taking a photo or a video of graphite drawing is not easy. Graphite leaves a sheen behind on the paper and it reflects the light and looks all weird. Sometimes the drawing looks a bit yellowish if you have a mediocre quality camera like mine. I do not have professional camera or lighting setup, so if my drawing is looking a little weird, it's because of that, so don't mind. I will show you a good quality photograph of the drawing at the end.
So don't worry.
I used white gel pen to draw little highlights on the bottom eyelid. I don't recommend using white gel pen too much with pencil drawings. It sometimes ruins the quality if you use it too much. Drawing little wrinkles and skin textures below the eyes. It can vary depending upon your reference photograph. And now to draw the eyebrows. I personally love drawing eyebrows. I think they are cool. I normally use a very sharp 2B pencil or mechanical pencil for this process. I try to draw each individual hair and eventually fill the whole space. When you're drawing hair, be mindful of the direction of the hair that is flowing and follow that. There are some parts of your eyebrows that grow from top to bottom. Make sure you draw that as well. If you have not observed this before, now go look at the mirror and see the direction of your eyebrow growth. Also tell yourself that you look beautiful while you are at it. I have the habit of going too close to the paper while drawing, and especially while drawing details. I am trying not to do that so I can make a video for you guys, but I feel the need to go close to the paper when drawing details. So yeah, this is how I used to draw now. Adding few darker eyebrow lines with my carbon pencil. Please subscribe to the channel to encourage me to make more art videos and content. This drawing is coming close to the end. I hope this video helped you out in some way, or at least you are entertained by it. Now let's have a better look at the final result.